In this video, I'm going to show you how to add AliReviews. Head to the apps in your Shopify dashboard. Click recommended apps, Shopify App Store, or alternatively head to your favorite browser, search apps.shopify.com or Shopify App Store directly. In the search tab, search AliReviews. You can also search in the top right corner right here. You can play with these filters, but it's pretty known what you're looking for. It's this one, Buy Easy app. Note that any apps of this will literally work, but I'm going to use this one. Click on it, click on View Demo Store so you can look what it's like, and meanwhile click on Add App. As you can see, here's what it looks like for the reviews. I believe it's a very good tool. You can even optimize the reviews. Go ahead to your store, click on Install App. You will be prompted with this page. And then in this page, make sure first of all to go ahead, open AliExpress. Let's go back. And as you can see right here, we will be prompted with this page to import reviews. I already have some reviews imported, but let me tell you what it looks like. Click first of all on import reviews and then choose the product that you have. Click on the website that you're going to use, AliExpress for example. Go ahead to AliExpress, choose your product URL. I'm just gonna choose something random for the tutorial purposes. Here it is. Now I have a link of a specific item. Copy it, go back to your Shopify page, paste it. I just want to import 4 and 5 stars and click on import. Select the value. I'll have 5 as I just want to import it, and you don't exceed the free demo. As I said, it's a paid tool and currently we are just using the free demo, you guys. Now after it's actually successfully imported, it can go 2 ways. If it didn't successfully import, as you can see right here, the URL that you're using needs to be trimmed down. So just remove all of this question marks and all of this weird stuff right here. And as you can see, we are getting close into the URL. You can alternatively head here, open a notepad, for example. Let me just use an online notepad and trim the URL to be accessed. Not just random stuff like this, as those are kind of cookies and stuff. They're not cookies really, but they're just stuff that will mess with data. So now you can even trim it more and more until you find the HTML right here. And now hit enter, see if the link is working. The link is working successfully. Okay, go ahead, import it again, AliExpress. Click here, choose one review for example, click import, and also make sure it actually has reviews, because if this product didn't have reviews, what is used for? It can't be used for. As you can see, that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching and goodbye.